If you're new to switching, this is such a cool trick. You can switch between C major 7 and C major by just placing finger 1 down on fret 1, string 2 here. And I'm doing 5 down, I'm doing string 5 down. Now, to really blow your mind here, I'm going to add a third chord. You're going to take finger 3 off, and there's your A minor 7. C major, C major 7, A minor 7. C major, C major 7, A minor 7. Or you could go C major, A minor 7, C major, C major 7. And if you really wanted to get fancy, you could take your pinky finger and lay it down here on fret 3, string 2. That's some super easy switching in the key of C.